afternoon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the update of Asas Ground, located at Samta Colony, very near to Seven Tombs Road. Seven Tombs entrance, rather. This is a bank that would be your landmark. It's a Union Bank of India, and then there you see the main entrance of the Seven Tombs. That's the main entrance. This is the main road which leads you to Seven Tombs. Hardly, I feel, 100 meters away. And then this is an open land, belongs to an army, and that's the road which leads you to Toli Choki Chaurasta. And again, if you take left, you even have an approach to the Shekhpet Road. And right behind this would be the passport office, and couple of supermarkets are also there. So this is the bank to look for, the landmark to locate this property. And this is the property, Asas Ground, by Landmark Homes and Asas Constructions. Let's get inside and have a look at the progress of this Asas Ground at Samta Colony, Toli Choki, Hyderabad. Let's start. This is one of the units at Asas Ground. Let's take an account what has been done. The door frames, let me tell you, it's a pure teak door frame. It has a separate entrance for the drawing room. Woodified tiles at the flooring, beautiful false ceiling on the roof, fire rated cables, and a window for natural air and natural ventilation. So we have entered from this particular door, and this is a drawing room. You're watching this view from the hall. It looks pretty much spacious to me. It's very convenient for probably 10 to 15 people to be seated, probably, provided you do a perfect space planning with your furniture. A very beautiful granite has been laid on at the common area, and this is the staircase which goes straight to the parking underground. And this is going to be the lift, and the lift is finished with beautiful textured glossy finish. Glossy finish, rather, it gives you a lot of luxury to the cleaning. So that's the main entrance. This is the drawing room which we just saw it. Let's enter into the main entrance and see how the things has been progressing. As I told you, it's a vertified tiles all around. We landed up in the hall, and that's the balcony to range your clothes, and you have a false ceiling. Now, one important thing I would like to tell you, you have a drawing room there, and there is also one more place wherein you can do a partition here from this point to that point, and this could also act as one more drawing room. Now that's what I was talking about. From that particular beam, you could have a curtain or kind of a partition, and it can act as one more sitting area. So that's a mini hall, what you see, right? And that's the drawing room where we have entered at the time of starting this video. Now right next to it is kitchen, a kitchen with a lot of utility area. And if I could show you the flooring, it has got a wooden finish flooring, and again a ventilation point, an RCC slab with the granite topping, and the walls are cladded with the tiles, the kitchen tiles. That's the kitchen, and again from the kitchen you land up in the hall where you could also have a dining area. And this is the balcony where you're going to have a full size door to enter into the balcony, and it's a pretty much spacious balcony. You're going to have a wash area here. It's again finished with tiles at all three sides, and then that's the huge hall. Look at this. It's such a big hall, and people with nice interior choice can really do a lot of fun, can really enjoy planning in this area. And there, that is going to be the hand wash area, that's the common bathroom. So basically, one bedroom, two bedroom, the hall with the balcony and a kitchen, and then you have one more open drawing and the drawing room there, and this room. So basically, you have got four rooms in this unit. Let's see this bedroom. The false ceiling is only in the hall and the drawing room, and this is the flat master bedroom. It's pretty much huge, and you have a road at the backside as well. So it's a two-road apartment. That's the bathroom, attached bath. It's landscape style, and this is the room. Wow, beautiful room, pretty much spacious. Coming out of the room, we enter into the second bedroom, and again the second bedroom. It's a good size of a bedroom, and then an attached to this as well. So the first bedroom is attached, the second bedroom is attached, so you've got two master bedrooms. And coming out of this second bedroom, that's the third bedroom. In a very jovial way, we call it Dada Dadi room. So Dada Dadi room doesn't require an attached bath, and this is the room. It's pretty much huge, and where you can have some sofa, a big palang, takhat, those kind of things, and so that people can come and accommodate themselves comfortably into this room. So that's the common bath. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us know what your feedback rather on this particular apartment, and do subscribe to our channel LMHHYD, which is Landmark Homes Hyderabad. Thank you very much, behalf of Landmark Homes and Asas Constructions, for watching this video. Have a nice, wonderful, fantastic, fantabulous day. And yes, the last and not the least, happy Bakrid, Eid Mubarak. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.